Hi everyone, in today's video I'm showing you a New Year's Eve makeup which I've actually done so much lately because I'm just obsessed how great effect it has. And I'm also giving you some hairstyle ideas and one formal outfit idea. But first let's get started with makeup. And first I have to say that I have my foundation and concealer already on, so we are going to skip that step. But next I'm using this Bourjois bronzer. I'm making quite harsh line because after blending it out it will give a very nice effect.
We don't sleep when the sun goes down. We don't waste no precious time.
Next, I'm applying my Fave Blush ATM, which is the Clinique blush in Nude Flower.
We don't sleep when the sun goes down.
Now it's time to blend those all out with the Balm Sexy Mama Matte Powder.
Making up for teenage cry.
Taking again this bronzer to bronze my neck a bit. And as it's still New Year's Eve, I want a bit shine to my face too, and I'm shining it with this very shiny pinky blush. Is actually so easy, but the point is that it's effective and also has wintry feeling. So one of the steps is applying a white or silver stardust or any creamy eyeshadow that you have all over your eyelids, and it's a good thing because you can go totally crazy and apply a lot shine, but also can apply only a bit for shyer look. With a simple white eyeshadow, I am raising my eyebrow and brightening my eye corners.
All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage cry.
Oh, and now taking my new favorite Avon Glimmer Stick and trying quite a thick line and a wing with that. And this eye pencil is so festive because it has glitter and some shiny dots in it.
Making up for teenage cry.
I'm making this look more put together by putting some glimmer stick on my lower waterline too. And now with a thin eyeliner brush, I'm applying the stardust under my eyes too, and then gently blending it out to leave this glowy effect. For mascara, I'm using this Avon Super Drama Mascara, guys. You know, your lashes definitely need some drama on New Year's Eve. And here you can see the result of putting one coat of this mascara, but I want to be more dramatic, so I'm applying another coat with my fave Maybelline mascara. To get my eyebrows done, and you know what product I'm using for that? Yeah, of course, Artigo Brow Powder.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and fairies, tell me where it's empty.
Let's move the lips, and first have to get them moisturized. Then using a regular red lip liner, because we're going to have a red lip tonight, so I'm just casually drawing a line with that. checking the lip tint cause this stays on pretty well and lasts long. And as I've applied a bit on my lower lip and as well on my upper lip, I'm just blending it all over my lips. And as we've done that, we are finished with the New Year's makeup. A regular braid, which is nice cause it shows off your neck and jewelry and stuff. Another idea is to wash your hair a night before New Year's and put it in a braid for night, so it gives you nice loose curls in the morning. And wait till the end cause then I'm showing you the third hairstyle way. Anyway, the outfit I'm wearing is very formal. I choose this no-sleeve golden dress which has a bit silver tone in it, so it's not the regular gold, you know. But I really love this dress shape and length and how it's on my body and everything. And for my shoes, I am wearing very glittery and shiny silver heels because they're very formal and I just love them so much. And I also think they go pretty well with this dress and with all the jewelry and stuff, so why not to wear heels? And if you go outside, I recommend you wear maybe some black boots with that dress. And here's the third way I thought about: a low ponytail with one ear covered, which is easy but elegant, and that's the main point of that, right? For accessories, I choose those big eye-catching silver earrings, and my necklace is also very silvery. And this is all for this look. Click subscribe below and let's see you in my next video. Bye!